What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today we got a nasty Dodge right here. It's a 24 valve Cummins. Is it a 6-speed or 5-speed?
6-speed.
6-speed, like you said, with the combine filter. And we're putting a 4-inch straight pipe on it. So we're gonna get some sound clips right now before we do it. And then we'll see a little time lapse of the exhaust. And you'll get a little preview of what it's gonna sound like. Start this Dodge up. It honestly sounds pretty good right now. The 4-inch should sound pretty nasty though. So let's get to it. All right, for those of you watching this video to figure out how the hell to do this, off of the turbo there's this 90-degree thing, and you got to take the bolts out right here and right here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Come here, Bandit.
Just like that.
15 extensions.
What size is that, Garrett? 13? I'll throw the 13 mil in there so you guys know and you don't have to look for it.
And the new bolts they give you are 15.
All right, definitely the best way to cut the factory exhaust off, which is right here. Looks like someone took out the muffler.
Yeah, that's about to be wrong.
But just get a Sawzall, get a good blade, and get under here and cut this thing out. It's gonna be the easiest thing. We found the issue. The smoke was coming out of here instead of here. That's not good. All right, we got the exhaust like this. It looks like it has a flat spot, probably from shipping or something, but this has to be round to fit on the truck, so we're gonna try to hammer it out. See what we can do. All right, we got it pretty round, so it should fit on that just fine. It kind of tapers in, so it just goes on there and tightens around that. This kind of bolts back onto the truck. We should be good.
Sounds pretty tight.
Yeah. All right, one thing I want to tell you guys when you're doing this, make sure you slide this exhaust pipe over the last one as far as you possibly can, because if you don't, it'll probably fall off. But this should be good. Let's do the next one. It's pretty dark out, so we'll probably get another running video or drive-by video tomorrow, but it looks really good in the spot that it's at. I'm trying to show you guys with the light. But yeah, start it up. Let's hear it. Yo, that sounds nasty. I'm into that. All right, guys, it's actually the next day just because it was dark last night. I didn't want to get some exhaust clips. That was a terrible video for you guys. So we waited till the next day, but it's got the 4-inch exhaust straight pipe on the truck. It actually looks really good. It's got that like factory style look, but it just looks a little bigger, a little better, but still kind of discreet under there. But we're gonna start this thing up, get some clips for you. Well guys, that sums up today's video with the Dodge. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see any more of Garrett's Dodge or maybe Levi's Dodge, which is the red one we've had in a couple videos, definitely leave it down in the comments if you guys want to see any more. Let me know how the 4-inch sounds, and stay tuned to Nasty Nate. See you in the next one.